What's up, YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. We're looking into our 10x 10k challenge. So, wow, really good returns today. We're sitting at 11.12% up today, and just under 5k, which is really good. So we're recovering really nicely, and it seems that Friday, that inflection point or that turning point, the bottom, feels like that was the point of turning. That's the turning point at around 11:28. I think I said 11:28, 25 to 30 a.m. And from there on, you can practically see most of the stock with this inflection point. So if you want to check out the stocks that has the same thing, yeah, so I think we're good now. Obviously, we will see some pullback from this gain. So that's just the secondary, smaller. And then after that, we're good until the next one. And yeah, we'll deal with the next one when it comes. So yeah, so BNGO, we're sitting really good at 16%. So if you didn't know, today we have the earning report. And let's see. I checked before, but it hasn't been released yet. And most likely tomorrow we'll see the full summary of it. But yeah, so BNGO up. Haven't sold any shares. Still 99 shares at $121 gain today. Now back up to 200+% total return. And yeah, so really good. So HIVE not so much, interestingly. It did shoot up, but I guess the gains from yesterday, I don't know what's happening, but should be up a little more than just 5%, I feel like, because Mara and frickin' Riot just killed it today. 30+%. Okay, ended up at 29%. And Riot was up 33%. Just ridiculous. This is what I'm talking about. The advantage of being in NASDAQ, like the big markets in the US, as opposed to the OTC. You have more exposure, and just imagine what it'll do to our small miners, small air quote, small miners here in terms of market cap. So I mean, it's gonna be crazy. Can't wait for that. So HIVE, right, let's get back to HIVE. We are up 5%, up $100, and up above 100%, back to above 100% now. So yeah, really looking good. All right, so HUT. Now I understand I haven't bought any more shares since I've purchased these 4 solid horse. I feel like I've really got these 4 stocks that'll just, these 4 alone will get me over $10,000, I feel like. So, and once we get over $10,000, then we'll make a plan to get to $100,000, and that's a challenge on its own. So most likely I'll add $1,000 or $2 into it and give us a little boost, and we'll see a big uptrend. So, and most likely I'll pick up another few stocks in there. So I was thinking maybe I should add more stocks in here to make it more diverse and make it less volatile, but I don't know. I'll have to do more research on it. So yeah. Okay, so HUT, no news, but debt-free. Still, most likely the value of this company is crazy, undervalued, crazy as well. HODL and the hash rate, the combination is crazy, and we're still waiting for news around Q2, Q3 for a contract or a purchase for new miners. We'll see how this chip shortage goes, but they should have a contract. Now I know they have a contract with Bitfury for first refusal of the miner, but I want to see another company, perhaps something like Bitfarm, just get a huge order. If they do a public or a private offering, do it. Find a company, make a contract, get at least 80 to 100 million. Get that, and you can just make a big ass order and compete with Mara. So I know it's a bit of a stretch, but this should be their goal. I'm sure they're working on it. Just because I'm saying this, like I'm just a YouTuber, so I'm pretty sure they're looking into all the avenues for it. So hopefully they come up with the news. And Hive, they need to freaking update us on their hash rate, the HODL. Like Hive does not do a good job of that. Like they don't release any publication. Like they need to keep us up to date. Like I want to see how much they're hodling, because they need to release those. DJHI, every month they release their hodl. They do a better job of that. And they need, I don't know, man, they need to do something. We need more miners. This is 2.4 is not enough. Like, no, that's not enough. They need to get 5 to 6 exahash. Another 3 or 4 exahash contract by next year. They should make order now, and then like Bitfarm, they'll have that come in Q1, starting Q1 2022. So yeah, we need more exahash. Like they're the most amongst these three, Hive, Hut, and Bitfarm. They're the more valued at. They're the more high valued. They're at 2 billion something. Not now maybe, but they were. They're higher, so they should have more capital and raise more funds, do more private or public offering, and get more cash, and just swing for the fence, man. Come on. All right. Bitfarm, we are up 6%. So it looks like Hut took the cake today at 14.8%. So yesterday was Hive amongst the miners we have here. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with Mara and Riot. These guys just, with the US listings, it's just crazy. No news today, but they should be having their earnings soon. We should see some good news from that. And let's see. So we're close to 100% return on this. Just $15. I mean, still, I know I should be adding more funds here. I should probably take out some from Hive or Hut and put into Bitfarm. So yeah, I'll try to make that decision. Maybe I could just add like $100 or like a few $100 into the account, because right now I think I'm still only at a net deposit of 1,025. So $25 is the referral bonus that I got from one of you guys using it. Thank you very much, by the way. That's a way to support the channel, and we'll get to that after. But yeah, so still net 1,025. I want to be transparent, guys. I want to show you what I'm doing with my transactions and all that stuff. I'll try to make a video on that this weekend. I forgot about it this past weekend, but I'll try to do that this weekend. So yeah, we're still right. So the point of doing this every day is to show you that there's no shady business. Like I'm showing you how I'm doing this. Once I get a little bit bigger, like I want to be just more transparent off the get-go, so you know that you can do this as well. Now, I'm not saying you can make this kind of return. This kind of return is stupid. I mean, 421%, that's crazy. Like, this is just a bull market, right? So, yeah, like, I'm just going to say this. I got lucky. Like, I'm just picking the right companies that I think is going to do well, and I'm just investing in those. Like, in my average, my portfolio, the bigger portfolio, my average is way lower than this, maybe like 100 or so, something around there. So 421%, it seems crazy. Like some YouTubers are showing like they make this amount of money, but they don't really show like the transactions and all that, like the day-to-day. Like show the P&L, like, you know, like profit and loss. Like it's more believable. It's it's more transparent. So yeah, and Bitfarm, nothing much to add. I'm still really bullish on Bitfarm, like Bitfarm, HUT, HIVE. These guys are so undervalued. I want to buy more. Like I said yesterday, I'm just held back because of not having enough cash right now to invest. Otherwise, I would invest more. I'm currently thinking of taking out some of my other stocks that I'm invested in, the money, and putting it into maybe Bitfarm. I don't know. I'll have to do more. I'll have to think about that more. So, right. So, almost 5K. We're sitting really good at 421%. Saying this is just crazy. Like, I hope you guys are feeling the same way. Like, it's crazy. Like, when I started this challenge, I didn't think I'd be sitting at 400% this quickly. Like, let's just be honest here. I'm no freaking expert. I'm just a freaking YouTuber investing. And I just seem to have gotten in at the right time. Now I say, don't time the market. Like, just get in and just dollar cost average that shit. And you'll be good in the long run. You can't time it, but it just seems like I've gotten at the right time, kind of the right time, I think. My average for bingo is 130 something, including this account. I have another account where I have like 1,300 shares total. So including this, that's 1,300 shares. And I've gotten there at 116. So like, yeah, it's a little late. I mean, compared to like 50 cents where it started. And Bitfarm and Bingo, these guys, I feel like I got in at a good time at $4 or something. Of course, these guys were like a few months back. If you look at it, they were sitting like Bitfarm, 6 months ago. They're sitting at like under $1. So it's all relative. Just get in and stay for the long run. Just invest, and you're good. So, right. So before I end this video, I want to say thank you for watching and keeping up with this challenge video. I hope you guys are doing good. I want to show this right here. So this is my kind of like holdings tracker for me. I use Yahoo Finance, and you can see that I'm down. This is on February 23rd, 9:50 a.m. when that's the day when it started to go down. And on that day, I was down 26%. Well, that's just the morning, but it came out to about 15% negative. So I just want to say, like, if you have the conviction and if you, like, you know what you have, that it has the huge potential of going up, just hold it. Hold the stock. Don't sell. You know, diamond hands. Don't sell. And right now, I'm kind of like recovered from it. Today, it seems to be doing really well. So, guys, hold the line. So, thank you for watching. And you know the drill. Like, this is not financial advice. This is for your entertainment. Do your own research. To get your conviction up. Do your own DD. Come on, right? Please feel free to like and subscribe. I do this every weekday with a challenge video. I'm gonna try and release a video on like the P&L, like how going down, like going up 100% and going down 100% is not the same. Oh my god, this is getting too long. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.